Now you could also improve your mental health and protect your mental health using ChatGPT. So what you all can do is, for example, stress management. Some techniques and tips you can discover strategies for managing stress, such as mindfulness, meditation, and relaxation techniques. Some breathing exercise. You know, if you want to do some breathing exercise and you want to improve your mental health, so how can you do that? So I am having bad mental health. Suggest me some exercises, and we were searching for breathing exercises, right? So let us search for some breathing exercises to improve my mental health. People cannot even think of this. If you ask ChatGPT this, it will give you some exercises, some breathing exercises. So it is, you can see that ChatGPT can also feel emotions. It is not emotional, but it can feel emotions, your emotions. It can understand your emotions basically. So I'm sorry to hear that you are struggling with your mental health. Breathing exercises can be helpful. So now it gave me deep belly breathing, diaphragmatic breathing. So it gave me deep belly breathing, diaphragmatic breathing. Now it told me all the steps how I should do this, deep belly breathing to improve. Now it also gave me this 478 breathing technique. You could read all the steps, or if I just read out all the steps, it doesn't make sense in this course. I'll be just reading out all the answers that ChatGPT will give me. And the motive of this course is to make sure that you are able to search or do whatever you want to do with ChatGPT and maximize the potential of it. So the main motive of this course is to make you aware about all this, that you could even do this, like box breathing, alternate nostril breathing, progressive muscle relaxation with breathing. So using all this, you could breathing techniques, you could improve your mental health. You could also have mental health support. You could gain knowledge about mental health conditions like depression, anxiety, and ADHD. Coping strategies, ask advice on coping strategies and self-care practices to support mental well-being. So this is all you can do for your mental health. And you could ask ChatGPT even how it will suggest you more methods. How can I improve my mental health? So improving mental health, it gives like regular exercise, eating healthy, quality sleep, stress management, social support, time outdoors. You should also go out. You should not be just sitting in your room and working all day long. You should have some hobbies and creative activities. You should also limit your screen time. See, social media, if you reduce your social media exposure, you could prevent digital overload. Now you could also seek some professional help. If you are seriously something from any mental health issue, you should go to some doctors regarding this, and they'll help you with that. Also, now practice self compassion, set realistic goals, establish healthy boundaries, stay connected, practice gratitude. You can do all these things, and you can ask furthermore to ChatGPT if you want to ask about a particular topic. So this was about mental health. In the next lecture, we'll be talking about personal health management. All right, so that's all for this lecture. I'll meet you in the next lecture.